Welcome to Nollywood Radio France. Your host is Cyprian Joseph. This program has been brought to you by Nollywood Croissants Magazine. Additional support is provided by our partner Ubaodi Onwodiwe, Goodwill Ambassador, Nollywood actress, singer, songwriter, humanitarian and victim advocate. Please stay tuned. My guest today is Lonji Agoha, motivational speaker, life coach, and language consultant. Lonji is the author of How to Empower Yourself to Win, a book on how to discover your inner strengths, empower yourself to perform better than ever. Welcome to The Sound of Two Cities. Now, the second topic or subject will be God everywhere in Lagos. So, why are there so many churches in Lagos?
But what I know is that some smart people there are using other people to enrich themselves. That's what I noticed.
You mean the pastors?
Yes. Many of them, those ones who are smart, they know that people need to believe in one thing or the other. And then they are really riding on that. They are trying to use that as a saddle to walk on.
Okay.
And that's not very good. It's not very healthy because of the fact that poverty is everywhere. And during the churches, you would see most of those pastors asking their followers to pay tithes, contribute, and all that. And that's the area that I don't like very much, because of the fact that they are selling hope to these people. They're trying to tell them that hope, they should believe in one thing, and that if they want their world to be better tomorrow, they should believe in God. And so everything revolves around God, 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 Jesus, Jesus, and all the rest. But the lots of those people are not improving. You see, so the pastors they know this, but they are still using that or using God as a way of enriching themselves. That's not very good.
Yeah, well, let me reframe my question the other way around. There's a need for spirituality in Lagos and so many parts of Nigeria or in Africa. Now, do you think coming back to Lagos? Do you? But now, do you think these churches are improving their lives? Because there's a need for spirituality. God is omnipresent in Lagos.
Yes, but I don't know if I would categorically say that it is improving their lives. I don't know if I say that if I'm right.
You talked about poverty.
Yes, because the problem is that many of them are poor. And so if you consider that, if you use that one as a yardstick, then it is not, because they're still praying and poor. See, even it looks like the more you pray, the poorer you become. See, so that's the area that really very strange to me. 90% of them are very poor people. The rich ones are those who are at the top. Those who manage the churches. Yeah. They're the rich ones. They are the ones who ride big cars, flashy cars. The poor ones come with their 10 toes, they come on foot. And then at the end of the church, they are requested or they're asked to contribute with their meager salary, with their poor situations, to pay tithes. And that's the area I don't like. Okay. So they are trying to rip people off because of that. And that's not very good. So for me, it is not improving their lives. Really, it is not. For me, the little I've seen of them, they are not getting better because they believe in God. It's not true.
You've been listening to Nollywood Radio France, supported by Nollywood Croissants Magazine and our partner Ubaodi Onwodiwe. Keep checking on this website for new episodes of Nollywood Radio France. Like us on Facebook. You can also log in to our website www.nollywoodfrance.com.